Hi guys, let's quickly line our pan with parchment paper or baking paper. Here are the three things you need: your scissors, your pan, and your parchment paper. Quickly cut out the size of the pan. Just put it on top of the pan and cut out the size. See how it's going to look? Like a rectangle. Fold it into a square. Then fold it again. It's going to look like a rectangle again. Then you fold it like a triangle. Just they look waiting. Even if this my explanation don't make sense, they look waiting and they do. Fold it again into a triangle. You can see, you can see how it's looking. All right, flip your pan. You position it at the center. You position that tip at the center of your pan, and then you cut off the excess. Here is your parchment paper. You open it up and put it into your greased pan. It must be greased. Bye. See you some other time.